Well, hey you, hope you're having a good day. Today, we wanted to talk about, Chef Beth's over here, but she's not on the camera. We wanted to talk about our top 5 plants for attracting bees and birds to the summer garden, specifically to the summer garden. We even got a bonus in here, but you got to wait, obviously, till the end. First up, zinnias. I'm sure you grow zinnias. We find these to be very effective at attracting pollinators, so we use the zinnias for our vegetable garden primarily, but also they're just pretty to look at. Now, this might surprise some people, but we like basil. We let the basil flower. Of course, it comes in the spring, then it goes to flower. Basil flowers for us attract a lot of pollinators to the yard, and they're just buzzing around there every day. So obviously they're contributing to pollinating our cucumbers and whatnot. Number 3, a crepe myrtle tree. This gives cover to our birds that come in, gives them a place to hang out. They sometimes kind of collect in there and wait their turn for the bird feeder in the watering hole. It's a great addition to the yard. Plus, a crepe myrtle is the perfect shade tree, and it blooms in summer. Just a beautiful addition to the garden. Now we got a double effect here. This is a rose of Sharon. It will attract, in particular, hummingbirds like to come around this. Plenty of blooms. They like it. We love our hummingbirds, of course. In addition, it's a pollinator attractor. This particular hedge is right beside one of our vegetable gardens, so it serves us well year after year after year. Plus, it's a shrub, so just like the crepe myrtle, once it's in, there you go. Don't have to mess with it. Keep it watered, of course, if it's dry, but lovely addition. And our favorite flowering plant to attract pollinators, particularly in the summer and fall, is feather celosia that you see right here. If you're not growing feather celosia, you need to add that. It's beautiful to look at, makes a good stand, and attracts a great variety of pollinators. Well, all right, I'm going to give you a bonus. Now, it's summer, but this tree is actually for winter. This is a Washington Hawthorne. Used to be the second most popular tree planted in yards 110 years ago or so. But the reason is these berries hang in there through late fall and into winter. So it gives you non-migratory birds something natural to eat. Well, that's our list. Drop your comments down there. What are your top 5 or top 3 or whatever? Let's have a discussion. I mean, it's hot. I know you're inside watching this on AC. If you're outside watching in the heat, get inside and watch it in AC. Oh man, it's super hot out here. Good, good, good. Well, I'm rolling